Keep me where the light is, keep me where the bright is. Two left feet, can you show me where the ride is? I've been on the low side, I've been on the high side. Look, I need
Today I just decided to keep it pretty simple because I was like way too hungry to do anything fancy. I have avocado on toast again, and then just like a simple old scrambled egg with spinach. The reason why I'm having avocados every day is because like this time we bought a bunch, so I don't want them to get overripe. For some reason, I love cutting avocados because like it's just like so satisfying when you like cut it into perfect slices like this. Like, I don't know, it's like one of those things that feels super satisfying doing. Today I didn't smash my avocados with the seasonings because the avocado today was like perfectly ripe, and whenever it's like perfectly ripe, I don't like to mix it with any seasonings. I just like to eat it raw. So yeah, that's why I'm just having like a raw avocado on my toast. And I just realized that everything I'm having is like green today. Oh god. Green. Actually, a lot of things I'm having these days are green. Like, not intentionally though. Like matcha latte is another thing that's green. I'm going to get to eating, and I'll talk to you guys after when I have something else again. It's pretty rainy outside, so I don't know why, but like whenever it's rainy, I just feel like drinking something cold, and then when it's sunny, I feel like drinking something hot. So it's like kind of reversed sometimes. It's kind of weird. It's literally my favorite moment of the day is when I get to drink my daily cup of coffee or tea, and I sit down and I like get to work on something. So I'm gonna do that and see you guys later. This is like one of my favorite snacks to have. It's just basically some green apple slices with some almond butter in the center. It's almost around 7 p.m. already. I'm actually attempting to make a Hainanese chicken rice. I'm really sick of tired of having the same chicken dishes over and over again. So you know what? I'm going to attempt to make something new for the family. Yeah, I guess there's like no other better things to do now that I'm like stuck at home 24/7. Honestly, like cooking, it's like the part that I look forward to. Yeah, I'm gonna give that a try and really hoping that it's gonna work out. Let's head over to the kitchen. So I have my chicken thigh meat over here, and I think the first step is to like rub it with salt. I just rubbed the chicken with some salt, and now I'm gonna boil it in cold water, and that's gonna be the first step. So while I'm waiting for the chicken to boil, I'm just gonna first make the dipping sauces. So here I have two types of sauces, and this one's like a sweet soy sauce, and I just added like soy sauce, sesame oil, and sugar. I just stir fry the rice with a little bit of garlic and ginger and the chicken fat. And later I'm just gonna add the chicken stock. Here is the finished dinner. I'm so proud of myself. Like, not bad for first time. We have some poached vegetables, Hainanese chicken rice, and then I'm also serving with 3 kind of dipping sauce. And yeah, and now we're ready to eat.